Have you noticed these amazing images taking over Instagram lately? The truth is, they're actually quite simple, and you can create them yourself with just one prompt. Stay with me until the end of this video, and I'll walk you through the steps in detail. First, open the ChatGPT app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select the Create Image option. Next, tap the plus icon again, and go to your photos to upload your personal picture. Once it's uploaded, paste our prompt into the text box. The best part is that you have full creative freedom. You can customize the prompt to fit your style, like adding your favorite song or choosing your preferred language, whether it's English or any other. Don't go anywhere. In a few moments, I'll show you exactly where to find this prompt to copy it. Now, tap the arrow at the bottom and let the app process your photo. Please wait a moment for it to finish. The results are worth the wait. Once the image appears, tap on it and head to the Save button at the top to download it directly. To make it even easier for you, I've placed the Ready to Copy prompt in the video description below. Let me know in the comments what you think of the results, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips.